Ted McGrath offers a massive digital library of woodworking plans with step-by-step guides, detailed schematics, and lists for materials included. The collection contains over 16,000 plans covering furniture, outdoor projects, cabinetry, and practical shop jigs suitable for beginners through experienced carpenters alike. Each plan includes clear materials lists, cut lists, required tools, dimensions, and full schematics so builders can estimate time and cost accurately. Step-by-step instructions accompany diagrams and photographs, guiding assembly and finishing stages while offering tips to avoid common mistakes and improve results. Plans are organized for quick search and download, allowing hobbyists to plan projects, prepare shopping lists, and set realistic build schedules efficiently. Whether building benches, cabinets, decks, or gifts, the resource supports skill growth with varied difficulty levels, budgeting help, and professional finishing advice available.